Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So recently we created a community post, asking you guys about the Q&A session, and we have got a massive response in that. In total, we have somewhere around 80 questions. I'll try to answer all the questions. There are few questions which are, repeated once, but those I'll be ignoring. Other than that, I'll try to answer all the questions in this video. Before, we generally used to do Q&A videos regularly, but now due to shortage of time, we'll be only doing Q&A once in a month. And before doing that, I'll always create a community post. So you guys can ask us anything over there, personal life, related to tech, whatever you feel like. And now before moving ahead, if you guys find this video useful, then make sure to drop a like and also consider subscribing to our channel. So now let's start with the first question. So the first question is from Ashok Kumar, who is asking OnePlus 13 long-term review. So long-term review is coming. I'm currently testing OnePlus 13s with 13. So if you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll answer your questions in the comparison video. But yes, in future, I'll also drop a long-term review of OnePlus 13. Then Tech Player wants a review of iOS 26 versus OxygenOS 15. See, iOS 26, it's still, in beta stage. Let's wait for public release. Currently, it's meant for developers. So once it's done, meanwhile, we'll have OxygenOS 16 also. Then we can do a complete comparison, or you can say review. And Rohit, if you're facing issues with your Nothing Phone 2a, see, currently it all depends on the ambient condition also. Now summers are going on. Most of the places, temperature is going above 40 degrees Celsius. So that could be the reason, your Nothing Phone 2a is heating or, taking longer time to charge. If that's not the case, try changing the charger. And if still doesn't happen, visit service center. About UI freezing, yes, UI freezing is always there on Nothing phones, I would say it's still not optimized at its best. So UI lags, even I have seen on all the Nothing phones, we can't do anything. See, OS optimizations will take time. Gradually they are improving, and hoping in future we don't get to see these lags or jitters. OnePlus 9 मैं recommend नहीं करूंगा शुभम, आपको 2025 में काफी और options है. OnePlus 9 काफी outdated हो चुका है, and उसको अभी कोई software update भी नहीं मिलेगा. And Pratap, for you, I would recommend wait for BBD sale and go with OnePlus 13 itself instead of buying OnePlus 13R or GT7. Go with 13s only if you want a compact phone, and if you have only two options like 13R or GT7, so I would say go with GT7. Then the next user is asking about why Android doesn't allow us to remove the camera shortcut. See, as far as I have read about it, camera shortcut is not allowed for the emergency cases. Like if there is any kind of emergency and someone wants to click a photo, so the camera should be easily accessible. But there are few more things what people say, but what I feel is it's not allowed to remove only because of the emergency situations. Priyanshu, nowadays not everyone is into custom ROMs, so there's no point testing a custom ROM where we don't get views. Now OxygenOS 15 is well optimized, and we have also got the customization options, and the custom ROM community even doesn't develop much of ROMs now. Avinash, mostly will be getting OnePlus stock dialer with OxygenOS 16. We are not exactly sure right now, but yes, there are few information which claims that OxygenOS 16 will be bringing OnePlus stock dialer, and about overall changes in the UI, those are also coming with OxygenOS 16. Not much of changes, but yes, we will have a lot of customization options being added on OxygenOS 16. Caf, about OxygenOS 16 features, so we are getting a lot of new changes, like lock screen customizations are coming. We'll also have the ability to resize the widgets, plus the support of third-party applications for live capsule. Currently, we don't have much of leaks about it, but whenever I get any kind of information, I'll keep you guys posted in the upcoming Q&A, or you can follow me on Twitter, where I generally keep posting such things. Style Empire, yes, we are expecting that, OnePlus stock dialer will be coming to OnePlus 12 series too. And about the app you are asking, see, currently you cannot install the application on any of OnePlus smartphone. Other than 13s, we don't have OnePlus stock dialer on any OnePlus smartphone. And even if I extract the application from this and give it to you, you won't be able to install it. So wait for it. And about OxygenOS 16, I think you are asking about OxygenOS 16 release date. The beta release is expected July end or August. Then Tens, your question is related to baseline iPad for note taking. See, if your budget is actually tight, I won't recommend to upgrade to iPad Air. If you are okay with that little bit of gap between the glass and ink, then I don't think so. For note taking, you do require an upgrade. Spectula O dialer is different, and OnePlus stock dialer is different. Ajju, regarding the OnePlus 12 battery drain, I've already conducted a battery drain test. Little bit of testing is left, but before even I release this Q&A video, you'll get the battery drain test between OnePlus Nord 4, OnePlus 12, OnePlus 13, and OnePlus 13s, because these are the only devices which received the June security patch. So I've done the battery drain test between these phones itself. Then another user is asking three questions. One is related to the battery drain on OnePlus, and if OnePlus does not sponsor you, see, OnePlus, it's not about sponsoring. I started getting units from OnePlus now, and till date we were doing videos, or we were buying the phones ourselves. Regarding the battery drain, in summers you will see a lot of complaints in community regarding the battery drain issues. So it completely depends on user to user and the environmental conditions. There are many factors which comes in place when it comes to battery drain. Like I've been using OnePlus 13s and 13, both the phones, and I don't see any kind of major battery drain issues unless I go out. If I stay in the house, I do get easily 7 hours of screen on time, and if I go out and like I go for the matches, that time I do get somewhere around 5 to 6 hours of screen on time. But now we have started a new series. Like every month, whenever we get the new update, I'll put up all the OnePlus smartphones for battery drain test, so that you guys will have a better idea whether any kind of issues are there with the software update which is affecting the battery life. So this new series we have started. And your next question is, VoNR works only when using internet via SIM. See, VoNR need 5G connection from your SIM and full support of mobile network. If you are on 4G or Wi-Fi, it will again switch to VoLTE because VoNR works on live 5G data. That's a normal behavior, nothing to worry about. And your third question, please do mention what's the exact issue while switching the camera lenses. Video is so soft. Yes, video output is on softer side on OnePlus 13R. Even I do agree with that. Vikram, currently I don't have OnePlus 12R, but other OnePlus smartphones, as I told you guys, we are starting a new series of battery drain where we'll include all the phones of OnePlus, whichever I have, and we'll conduct a battery drain test after every update with the similar conditions and similar settings. And obviously, Irshad, we guys are family. We are not fans or anything. So obviously, I'll remember you guys and following you since 3 years. Thank you so much, brother, for your love and support. Yes, OnePlus 12R will be getting AI global search feature. And Nayan bhai, मैं बढ़िया हूँ. Thank you so much for asking. OnePlus 11 में mostly नहीं आएगा bypass charging. और आप DM क्यों नहीं रिप्लाई करते? सॉरी भाई, मैंने DM देखा नहीं है. Instagram पे मैं आजकल कम ही एक्टिव रहता हूँ. जैसे बस रील पोस्ट करना होता है उसी के लिए आता हूँ. DMs एक्चुअली मेरे को काफी आए हुए हैं. मैं एक दिन बैठ के सारे चेक करूंगा एंड रिप्लाई करता हूँ आपको भी. So Amik, there are more options under 50K, but if you are confused between OnePlus 13R or Samsung S24, I would say go with Samsung S24 because you get longer software support and the camera is also great. But if you want to go with the compact phone, like with a not that good camera, go with 13S. It has Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, so performance will be top notch. But it's a compact phone and you want a bigger screen phone, so you can go with S24 Plus. Shubham, I don't think so will be getting the support of eSIM on OnePlus 12. Hydra slowly will be adding more devices. And about the owner also, yes, I'll try to add owner phones on this channel too. Improviser, recently OnePlus 11 got an update of OxygenOS 15.0.2. I've already installed it. I'm testing that device and soon I'll do an in-depth review also. We are not able to do in-depth reviews, but very soon we'll be coming up with the same thing like in-depth reviews of software updates also. So give me a week's time, I'll drop the review of OnePlus 11. Deva Nord series already started getting the stacked recents page. Shiv, your question is about between 3A and 3A Pro, whether you should spend extra money or not. See, I don't recommend spending until unless you want little bit of more zoom photos, which you can achieve from Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Other than that, everything is same, and weight balancing of Nothing 3A Pro is very bad. Plus about Nothing OS 3.0, I would say it's good, but it's not that fluid what other brands are offering at that price segment. And obviously there are some jitters here and there in the entire UI. Then Fahad, the OxygenOS 16 के features मैंने already बता दिए हैं, जो हमें leaks मिले हुए हैं या जो हमें information है अभी तक. रही बात OnePlus 12 में charging bypass charging feature, mostly yes आएगा. OnePlus 12 series में आएगा bypass charging feature. And मेरे को तो नहीं लगा कोई degradation हुए हैं updates के साथ, because battery drain test भी मैंने conduct कर लिया है, उसमें भी मेरे को सही लगा. कैमरे में मेरे को कोई downgrades नहीं दिखे, but still मैं जैसे ही in-depth review start करूंगा तब एक हमें better idea आ जाएगा कि degrades हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे. अभी तक तो मेरे को नहीं लगता. रविंद्र, OxygenOS 16 के कुछ फीचर्स मैंने बता दिए हैं. आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्लैगशिप डिवाइसेस वर्सेस मिडल, ऑल फीचर्स दे कैन गेट और नॉट. सी 90% ऑफ द फीचर्स will be coming to other OnePlus smartphones also, and why updates are delivering late? No, I don't think so updates are delivering late. As how OnePlus have promised, we are getting the updates. Tanishq, yes, I am married, brother. संपत क्या ही बताएं इसके बारे में, नवाब के बारे में मैंने देखी हैं काफी सारी वीडियोस, बट टर्न ऑफ कर दो रिकमेंडेशंस, वही बेटर है. Apple best. Shubham, I don't see any kind of downgrades, but with OxygenOS 15, they have added a lot of new stuff. Animations have become heavy, so slight. If you compare it with Android 14, then obviously yes, battery drain will be slightly more because that animation part wasn't that good on OxygenOS 14. But on OxygenOS 15, the animations are quite heavy, so slight definitely battery issues will be there. But now summers are there, so that's the main concern of battery drain in almost every phone. Mr. Rounder, you can message me on Telegram. We do have files over there. You can just flash it using a module and you'll get the OnePlus dialer. Deep Singh, yes, I do feel that, OnePlus 14, if it is coming, it will have a flat panel. Rohit, OnePlus 13 series will be getting OxygenOS open beta builds mostly July end or mid of August. Anish, yes, we have seen some photos, we'll be getting the full screen AOD on OnePlus smartphones with OxygenOS 16. Boss, I don't have OnePlus Nord 3 because I've already sold it. That's the reason I'm not doing videos on OnePlus Nord 3 now. Suraj, I did not get you about the dynamic wallpaper on the lock screen. You are asking whether it's coming with the OxygenOS 16 or what? Do let me know in the comment section below. I'll answer it there. And no, OnePlus and Oppo, they have already given a statement that they won't be copying the similar design of, that liquid design what we have seen on iOS 26. They've already given a statement about it. OnePlus Pad 3 versus Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra comparison video. See, I don't have both the pads, but I'll try to arrange them and, once I get them, I'll do a comparison video. Sahib, we are not sure about Nothing OS 4.0. I think with Nothing Phone 3 also, they are introducing Nothing OS 3.5, not 4.0. And till now, we don't have any kind of leaks related to that. If I get any kind of information, I'll keep you guys posted. Hussein, it all depends which country you are in and region what you have selected. If you're in India, go to the language settings and change the region and then clear the data of dialer. Mostly you will get the recorder option, and it all depends on region to region. In some countries, you won't find call recording feature. Ahmed, yes, with OxygenOS 15, we are getting the third-party application support in the live capsule also. Currently, we cannot add any kind of widgets on the lock screen, but with OxygenOS 16, we are getting the lock screen customization. Mostly then we'll be able to do that. Pratap, battery health on my Nord 4 is 100% because I have not used that device much. And when you got it in 2024 August 96, 4% drop is not bad if you're using it as a primary device. PNY, thank you so much bhai. I'm doing great and OnePlus 12 में stock dialer with OxygenOS 16 ही आएगा. उससे पहले अगर जो APK install होने के chances हुए तो मैं कर दूंगा. Private Hunter Nord series का Nord 4 का recently I uploaded a video and Nord 3 I've already sold. RAM management have become worst. So RAM management I haven't checked it because I'm not doing in-depth reviews now. I'll do an in-depth review about like OnePlus Nord 4. Recently it got a June update na. So I'll test this and keep you posted in the in-depth review video. Mohammed, I would recommend Oppo K13. Iron Man 7 Plus Gen, it's not famous because it's very close to 8 Gen 2 in pricing. So brand always prefer the newer series compared to the previous one. That's the reason what I feel it's not famous. Yes, OxygenOS 16 will bring OnePlus Mind on other phones also. You'll have that slide gesture instead of button. Like just swiping with 3 fingers, you'll be able to access mind space on your OnePlus smartphones. Tarun, we do have the feature on OnePlus smartphones also. If you go to the Play Store, so for example, I'll show you an application which is paid application. I've already set it. Let me show you first how to set it. So go to Play Store, then under payment and subscription, you can see here we have an option called purchase verification. So here I've selected biometrics. So whenever I download any paid application, I have to verify myself or else that application won't be downloaded. So we do have this feature on OnePlus smartphones also. VPN, it's a bit difficult to downgrade to the initial build of, when the device was launched because downgrading process is not that easy nowadays. Such videos will take a lot of time. And to compare the battery drain test, I have to, give continuous 2 to 3 days to make that single video. That's the reason I won't be able to do such videos. Gaming White, July end or in between August, we will see open beta builds of OxygenOS 16. Then AJ4075, you have a few questions like 5 questions. First one is related to the battery health. See, battery health is not accurate what we see here inside the battery application or even if you use third-party applications. Until unless you root the device, you won't be able to find the exact battery health. And battery health is kind of gimmicky stuff. It just gives you an idea that your battery is degrading. So nothing to worry about that. Until unless you see battery health have gone down below 80, I would not even recommend to change the battery also. Then you have few more questions like OnePlus 11 bypass charging. I doubt it will be coming. And about the OnePlus dialer, we might get to see. Mind space also, I doubt that it will be coming to OnePlus 11. My fact, the best camera phone currently I would recommend under 20k is Oppo K13. CMF phone 2 doesn't have good camera. It lacks a lot on focus. The focus issues have not been fixed yet. Neeraj, I don't play games on PC or consoles. Before I had PS4, that time I did play a few games. I don't even remember the names also. But mobile gaming I do like BGMI because I keep testing the phones. So BGMI I play every day. Darshan, about the first issue, I have not faced that issue on my OnePlus 13. And the second issue, they have fixed it like previously I've seen on OnePlus smartphones. Whenever we used to, pause the video of Instagram, file dock used to pop up. But now they have fixed with the latest update. So that's not an issue anymore now. And about the first thing, I've never faced that issue on my device. If you are facing, try to uninstall the update of launcher if launcher is crashing. And Darshan, I could not understand the second question. Please explain me in the comment section so that I can help you. MRVG, that issue have been fixed on almost every OnePlus smartphone after this latest update. Currently, you are talking about OnePlus 12. So OnePlus 12 recently got an update. After that, you do check that Instagram issue have been taken care now. Madhuri, OnePlus Nord 4 have already received June update in which they did include stacked recents page. And Subhajit, with OxygenOS 16, we are getting the OnePlus Talk Dialer on OnePlus 13 along with the AI integration. So guys, these were all the questions. I hope I have answered everything. I don't see any question which I have missed right now. But if still I have missed out or they don't pop up here, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll answer them there itself. So as of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.